Welcome once again, fit people. My name is Coach Remy. I'm a personal trainer dedicated to getting you fit without you getting out of your house. So in these times of quarantine, people are looking left and right to find a good workout program they can follow at home without needing to buy any extra equipment, and I have that for you. And if you're looking for that, please hit subscribe, and if you do enjoy any of the workouts, share with family and friends, and leave me a comment about how you felt about the intensity. So today's workout is going to be squats, and let's get into our workout. Wide stance, and let's do quick mobility. Let's put the knees together, and now let's go right small circles in front. Change direction. Okay, beautiful. So the way to do the squat, you make sure that the feet are shoulder width apart and toes slightly facing outward. We will start with just a shallow squat, not going so deep, just like this. Okay, let's go. And you can put the hands wherever you want. The most challenging one is to put the hands overhead. You keep your back straight and feet should stay flat on the ground. Okay, so now we go as low as we can, the squat, all right? Then we squat up. Let's go. So if you want to challenge yourself more, you can put your arms overhead and you straighten them. Back should stay straight. Beautiful. So next one, we're going to do pulsating squats. So we squat down and then we pulsate 1, 2, 3. We squat up. All right. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. And from here you have to squeeze the glutes. That's where you get last strength to go up from. Beautiful. So next one, we squat down, and when we come, we kick, and then we squat, we go to the other leg. Okay, let's go. And when you put the leg back down, make sure that the leg is shoulder width apart. Inhale when going down, exhale when you're kicking. Beautiful. Deep breath in, So now we squat and then we do a backward kick. Squat, come up, squat, come up, okay? And you squeeze the glutes when you're doing the backward kick. So now we squat, we come up, do lateral raise or hip abduction. Let's go abduction. You squeeze your glutes to bring the leg up. Okay, beautiful. So now we go on one leg, we squat down, then we do 3 movements. Okay, later we're going on the other leg. Stay low. We're almost there, guys. Okay. This is a tough one. Keep the legs loose. Now we're going on the right leg. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Beautiful. That was okay. Now we squat down. Once we are here, we do like this. We lift the hip from the ground, squat up, hip from the ground. Okay. Squat with calf raises. Keep the legs loose so the legs are already feeling the pump. So now we're going to jump squats. Beautiful. Use your legs, your hands to jump as high as you can. And land soft. Use your muscles to cushion. Beautiful. The quads are feeling heavy. So now we're going to lunges, lunge and knee up. Okay? Lunge, knee up. Lunge, knee up. to the other leg. Right leg. Last round. Let's finish strong. Beautiful, guys. Let's go. Almost there. Okay. Beautiful, guys. Day number 20 is finished. Well done. Clap for yourselves. If you enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up and also share with family and friends. The legs are feeling like they did something. Coach Remy here, helping you get fit and stay fit without you going out of your house. Thank you and see you on day number 22.